Far away from the city's hustle, this house feels like a deep exhale, where mornings are slow and calm. Spaces open generously towards the landscape, while expansive windows invite daylight to travel freely, animating surfaces as the hours pass. Encircling verandas become moments of pause where time loses its grip, coffee lingers longer, and conversations find the luxury of unbroken attention. The villa is named Kaustubham, which is a precious gem worn by Lord Vishnu on his chest, the Vakshasthalam, and it represents pure conscience, brilliance, and authority. Hi, I'm Nitya Reddy. I'm the Principal Director at Hot Habitat, and join me on an exclusive tour of Kaustubham in Bangalore. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with houseplants, log on to Buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. The clients wanted a space that was easy to maintain. They wanted to connect with the nature and to see greenery from every corner, and we've tried to achieve that. Designed on a 15,000 square foot plot with an equivalent built-up area, the house unfolds across 2 levels, and we've tried to follow the Vastu principles. At the main entrance, we've used a traditional antique door which we sourced from Kerala. As we enter through it, we enter the patio. In the patio, we have a Dwarapala. It's often used in the entrance as a protector. We added a small bench here with the Nandi facing the main entrance. Through the main door, we enter into the foyer space. We have added a painting here, which is handmade in Rajasthan using vegetable dye colors. Mirrors have been thoughtfully placed on the ceiling to add depth and illusion for the space. From the foyer space, we enter into the grand living, where we have tried to blend modern furniture with a lot of Indian art and artifacts. Here on this wall, we have a hand-carved stone panel all the way from Rajasthan. And this is something we've designed, this oversized glass coffee table with a lot of Indian accents. There is a lot of natural light here, and from the living room, we have this green spaces. And the living space connects into the dining space here and into the dry kitchen there. The guest bedroom is located in the northwest quadrant. There are 2 bedrooms in the primary level, with the master bedroom being in the southwest quadrant. The bedrooms are conceived as glass-wrapped sanctuaries that dissolve into the garden, with floor-to-ceiling glazing on 3 sides. Instead of walls, the garden becomes the visual architecture. The red wallpaper acts as a bold yet refined background to the staircase. The rich texture of the wallpaper adds depth and warmth to the space. The curated selection of the small frames gives it a gallery sort of feel. We also have double height glazing running throughout the space, connecting the indoor and the outdoor spaces effortlessly. The staircase is clean and elegant, designed as a strong visual space in the house. The floating steps with the subtle lighting give it a modern yet light feel. As you come up the stairs, the puja room is the first space towards your left hand. The puja door is made out of hand-carved motifs covered with the brush sheet. As we enter, the focal point is the circular tanjore painting. On the other side of the puja room, we have a guest bedroom. Onto this side, we have the dedicated library. And this is the informal living, which opens out into the balcony space. And the master bedroom is in the southwest quadrant. The focus here is the four-poster bed and the subtle wallpaper that we've used, which complements the bed. And there's a passage which leads into the washroom and the master closet. The master bedroom is wrapped with glass on 3 sides, which gives an unobstructed view of the grape fields and the greenery around. And all these spaces have their own dedicated balconies. So we've kept the flooring quite neutral, as we added rich color and texture through the wall art and the artifacts. For the flooring, we definitely wanted matte finish, anti-skid, because the house has different age groups from kids to older people, so safety was a concern here. It also so happens to be our first project, so it was definitely a learning and a fulfilling experience. I would say a home that is a perfect blend of comfort, functionality and style, that is a reflection of your personality and your story, is what I think makes a good home.